So today we'll be talking about Beethoven's Symphony No. 4, the movement Scherzo. There's a lot of chromatic notes, which means that the key that the song is originally in, which is B flat, has changed or has modulated, which means that the key changed and will end in the new key, or it has tonicized a different key, which means that the piece is just visiting that key. A key is something that tells you what notes are in a certain piece. It tells you how many accidentals there are to add to like what notes. So I've decided that this piece has a lot of tonicization. It doesn't have a lot of modulation, which means that the piece does not end in a different key than it starts in, but it does visit a lot of different keys than it starts in. There are sequences in this piece, which means that there's repeating material that is in a different key or is in the same key but on different notes. These happen very frequently throughout this piece and are actually a really common way to like expand music. There is a very large difference between sequences and repetition. Repetition is when the same material is repeated exactly, and sequences are when the same idea is repeated, but it has different notes. So repetition would be like bum 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 bum, whereas sequences would be like bum 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 bum. So the notes change. This piece is a continuous balanced binary piece. It is continuous because the first part of the piece that repeats actually ends on a 5 chord, which means that it's the 5th note in the scale. And it's balanced because the idea at the end of the first phrase repeats itself at the end of the second phrase. Binary form is just a form of music. It actually just tells you a little bit about how the piece is set up. And that's pretty much all you need to know about Beethoven's Fourth Symphony, the Scherzo movement.